Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to pin up to 6 posts to your Instagram profile. So what you should know that usually with the free or the normal like Instagram account you can pin up just 2-3 posts, and pinning means you can just put the your pictures or posts on the top of your profile, and to do it you have just to long press on any post and click pin. It will be pinned. Second one, I will pin it. Third one, also I will pin it. And usually if you have a free account you can pin only 3 posts, but if you are subscribed to Instagram Plus you can pin up to 6. So to just pin up to 6 you have to do the same thing and click pin. As you can see, there is 4 pinned posts now on my account, and that's it. Like that you can pin up to 6 posts to your Instagram profile. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.